We're showing off SpoonFeed. This is my social sharing recipe app and kitchen assistant. Log in here and start to show off part of the app. You can scroll through the feed of other people who uploaded videos. You can leave comments. I've built in a sort of Fruit Ninja clone into the game, so you can play this while you're scrolling through videos. The feed stays consistent, so you can continue to scroll through videos even while you're playing the game. And if you are able to get the highest score on any particular video, you are rewarded with the ability to post the pinned comment on that video. So this is sort of an interesting social loop. You keep people watching videos and continuing to watch over and over again to rack up a high score. You can save any video to a cookbook. Just enter the name, and you can save it, and then you have your whole collection of cookbooks that you can go through. Any video can be saved to multiple cookbooks, and they're all separate, so you can divide them up into whatever. I don't know if you've got like different recipes for desserts or for dinners. You can upload videos. On upload, a transcript of the video is automatically created, and it's timestamped word by word, which is useful for some of the AI features we've incorporated here. So a video gets uploaded. From that transcript, you're able to create a recipe directly from the transcript, which gets posted immediately to the description of the video. I've enabled voice control, so you can go into the cook mode settings, activate voice control, and say, "Hey chef, go forward 20 seconds. Hey chef, go back 30 seconds. And then one more time, "Hey chef, go to the tomatoes." I'm going to demonstrate the hands-free cook mode. You can come in before your video starts, make sure you've got your cook mode settings to gesture control. And now you can start and stop the videos just by waving your hand over top of the phone. And then wave again, and it'll roll back 5 seconds and continue your video.